Good morning, students. We'll continue our discussion of Boolean algebra. Yesterday we discussed definition of Boolean algebra, logical statements. What do you mean by truth table? What do you mean by tautology and fallacy? After that, we'll move to the next continuation of the chapter, logical operations. Logical operations performed on logical operators. The logical operation performed on logical operator. There are three logical operators. There are three logical operators. First one, logical AND. Second one, logical OR. Third one, logical NOT. So these operators are used to evaluate the Boolean expression. First one, we'll see how logical operator is going to perform its operation. Logical AND. Logical AND is denoted with dot operator. Logical AND is denoted with AND operator. And these two operators, that is AND and OR, is binary operators. Binary operators. And this is unary operator. Unary operator. What is binary operator, unary operator? It performs operation on minimum two input symbol. That means it performs operation on two or more inputs. It performs operation on two or more inputs. It is a binary operator. It performs logical multiplication. Logical multiplication. It denoted the symbol of logical AND is dot operator. It is a binary operator. It performs logical multiplication. It is a logical operator. It performs logical multiplication. The symbol of logical AND is dot. Example, we can write X and Y or X dot Y. X dot Y. How we can represent this one in the mathematical Venn diagram? This is X possibilities. This is Y possibilities. The value present in the X, the same value should be present in the Y. Then only the logical multiplication gives you the true result. The logical multiplication, that is logical AND, gives you true result. How we can write this one? X, Y, X dot Y. Do you remember this is a truth table? Yes, yesterday we discussed what is truth table. Here I am taking how many variables as an input? I am taking two variables as input, here we will get four different possibilities. 0, 0. That may be both are false value. One may be false, one may be true. One may be true, another one may be false. Otherwise, both are true. When both the inputs are false, then we will get the result as false. When one of the input is true and one of the input is false, it performs which operation? Logical multiplication. So 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 also 0. When both the values are present, then only the result is true in logical AND operation. Logical AND operation. For example, you went to one hotel and you are try to order for roti and dal. You went to the order, so they said that there is no roti, there is no dal. Then you cannot place the order. They said there is no roti, there is a dal, we cannot eat only dal. They said only roti is there, there is no dal, then also we cannot eat. If both are there, roti also is there, dal also is there, then we can place the order. This is a scenario of your logical AND. Hope you understood. Once again, logical AND. It is a binary operator. It performs logical multiplication. Logical multiplication on minimum 2 or more inputs. Minimum 2 or more inputs. The symbol of logical AND is dot operator. Dot operator. Hope you understood, I think so. Okay. We'll continue our discussion for logical OR operator. Logical OR operator. Okay. Logical OR operator. Second one is your logical OR operator. It is also a binary operator. It performs logical addition. What it performs? It performs logical addition. On how many inputs? 2 or more inputs. It is a binary operator. It performs logical addition on minimum 2 or more inputs. The symbol of logical OR is plus. Logical OR is plus. How we can write this one? X or Y or X plus Y. X plus Y. How we can write the Venn diagram? Here, the value of X, this also is possible. It is also present. This is also present. When the value it is not there in both, then only the result is false. When the value not present in both, it was not in the X, it was not in the Y. That means it was not in the X, it was not in the Y, then only the result is false. Then only the result is false. If any one of the input is present, then the result is true. 1 means true, 0 means false. once again we'll discuss this one. Logical OR means plus. It is a binary operator. It performs a logical addition on minimum 2 or more input symbols. The symbol of the logical operator OR is plus. If the value present in the X and the value present in the Y, then the result is true. The value present in the X, the value not present in the Y, then also it is true. When the value not present in the X, the value present in the Y, then also it is true. When it was not present in both, X also 0, Y also 0, both are false, then only we are going to get the result as false result. This is a scenario of your logical OR operator. Hope you understood. Logical OR operator. Any doubt with the logical OR operator? Then next we'll go for logical NOT operator. As I mentioned here, logical NOT operator is unary operator. It performs operation on only single variable. It performs operation on single variable. Logical NOT. The logical NOT is denoted by overbar. Overbar. It performs operation on single variable. It performs operation on single variable. It complements the input. It complements the input. It means it performs complementation or negation. Complementation. It performs a complementation operation on the input, or it is also called as negation. Then how we can represent this one? X complementation is represented as X bar. X complementation is represented as X bar. This can also represented as X dash. This is also possible to give in the question paper like this also. Either this or this or this. This is overbar, X dash, X caps lock. So here generally we are going to prefer for this one. In the theory exam, it is possible to come any one of these possibilities. Make a note of this. This is very important. Don't get confused. All three are same as logical NOT operator symbol. Then how to represent this one in the Venn diagram? The value present in the X is not present in the X bar. The value which present in the X is not present in the X bar. Means if X is 0, then X complement is 1. How it is 1? What is the X value? 0. What is a 0 complement? It is 1. Hope you understood. What is, if the X value is 1, what is a 1 over bar? That is called as 0. That means 0 is nothing but 1. 1 is nothing but 0. This is X. This is X bar. That X bar can also be written as like this. It also can be written as like this. All three are same. Hope you understood. So logical operators. There are three logical operators. One is logical AND operator, logical OR operator, logical NOT operator. Logical AND performs logical multiplication. Logical multiplication. Logical OR performs logical addition. Logical addition. It performs logical complementation. Logical complementation. How this will be denoted? This will be denoted as dot operator. This will be denoted as plus operator. This is denoted as over bar, not a minus. There is a difference between writing the minus symbol. Minus means here we are writing. Over bar means you should write like this in the above. X bar. Hope you understood. Then these two are binary operators. It performs operation on minimum two or more input variables. Logical NOT is unary operator. It performs operation on single variable. It complements the result. If the x value is 0, then we will get the result as 1. If the x value is 1, we will get the result as 0. Hope you understood, I think so. So this is the discussion about your logical operators. The same thing we are going to discuss once again in the logic gates. There is a symbol, circuit symbol to represent AND or NOT. Next class we'll discuss the logical gates. Hope you understood the class, I think so. So up to here, till today we have discussed the definition of Boolean algebra, logical statements, truth table, true tautology and falsy logical operator. Thank you. We'll continue our session in the next class.